Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix PayPal OTP or one-time password not received on any iPhone and on any Android device. And I've actually updated this video to work in 2021. I'll show you how to fix it, but make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we start, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And also, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know. So what you want to do is actually go on PayPal, and to fix the PayPal OTP not received, there's a few configurations you want to make sure you have. First, obviously, the right phone. Maybe you have multiple phones, multiple phone numbers, or you've registered Google Voice on it. So make sure you check it if that's correct. If that's all good, what you want to do is go on the settings on your phone, go down to messages. On an iPhone, it's right under phone. There are basically three green icons: phone, messages, FaceTime. You click on messages, and first you want to have iMessages on. This is really important. Then go down to filter unknown senders. If you have this option on, you want to really have the OTP, because PayPal is an unknown sender. It's probably a phone contact that you don't talk to regularly. So you want to have this on. And also you want to make sure you didn't block PayPal's number here, because if you're getting a lot of messages from telemarketers, chances are you actually blocked PayPal's number without even noticing. And another thing you can do is swipe up and make sure you don't have airplane mode on or do not disturb. If you have do not disturb, you won't see the messages. So this is pretty much most of the things you can do. If you have questions after watching the video, let me know in the comment section down below. We upload over 100 videos just like this every single week for your value. So if you have questions, let me know below, and like the video for the YouTube algorithm, because it really helps us out, and each like gets us a few more views. I want to see you in one of the next videos.